Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're stepping into a very different kind of attraction, the Movieland Wax Museum of the Stars here on Clifton Hill in Niagara Falls, Ontario. We're going to take a walk through the museum, take in the wax figures, dive into the history, and highlight some of the fun photo ops, and share what makes this place tick. Now let's get into it. First, where are we? The museum is located at 4848 Clifton Hill, Niagara Falls, Ontario. Clifton Hill itself is the big tourist strip in Niagara Falls. Full of attractions, arcades, wax museums, haunted houses, so this museum fits right into that vibe. According to the museum's description, it boasts over 100 wax figures. It's climate controlled, wheelchair accessible, and is set up for group tours. When you visit, you'll also notice that many of the figures are set into scenes or displays that mimic movie sets or iconic moments. It's not just posed statues. So what can you expect inside? Tons of famous movie characters. For example, you'll see a wax version of the likes of Chris Hemsworth as Thor, Scarlett Johansson as Black Widow, Robert Downey Jr. as Tony Stark or Iron Man. Other stars from film, TV, and music, example, Taylor Swift, Elvis Presley, even characters like Indiana Jones and Forrest Gump. At the end of the tour, there is a House of Horrors section for those who want a bit of spooky fun. As for the walkthrough itself, it is self-paced so you can control how much time you spend at each figure. Good for filming B-roll or quick cuts. Because some of the figures are behind glass or in displays, pay attention to reflections or lighting when filming. Bring a wide-angle lens or your phone's phone gimbal if you have one. Look for interactive moments, pose with the character, step into the set display, maybe mimic a movie line. One great thing about this museum is that it's part of the Fun Pass on Clifton Hill, where they will bundle it with other attractions so you can have even more fun. For a little bit of history, while I couldn't find any detailed information on exact dates, we know that Clifton Hill has long had wax museums. For example, the area is described as home to multiple wax museums from the 1960s onward. The museum's own marketing says, "A walk through Movieland is like a walk through entertainment's history." You're experiencing a form of cultural tourism, iconic pop culture persons frozen in time as a wax figure, set in a major tourist destination. If you're into movie entertainment, then this gives you a relatively quick, fun diversion from nature tourism in Niagara Falls. It's indoors, so it's good for rainy days or as a break from outdoor activities. Great for families, for kids who love characters and want a selfie moment. Good for content creators. You'll get some great colorful displays, characters, lighting, photo ops, all the good stuff for the B-roll. And now, I'll give you guys a chance to walk around and enjoy the rest of the wax figures, and I'll catch you near the end of the video. Alright folks, that wraps up our walkthrough of the Movieland Wax Museum of the Stars here in Niagara Falls. If you enjoyed this review, drop a like, leave a comment below with your favorite wax figure moment, and of course subscribe for more tech travel and entertainment content. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you on the next adventure.